What does the Joe Biden election, what does vaccine actually mean for dollar going forward?
Well, I mean, I think particularly with the vaccine, it is good news. Now, it's quite interesting because we have seen since Monday and that Pfizer news, we've seen a lot of politicians and central bankers, begin to push back, say, look, we're in for a couple of bad quarters still, a really difficult winter, both from health perspective in Europe and the US, and of course, economically too. And yet what we've seen, I think, from the markets really since the global financial crisis and that advent of huge amounts of quantitative easing and cheap money is the market's ability to be sensitive to bad news is sort of cushioned. The blanket of cheap money is provide exactly that, a safety blanket. And the market tends to look through bad news perhaps a lot swifter, a lot quicker than it would have done before the global financial crisis. So I think the market has a tendency to ignore the fact that we do have a couple of bad quarters, price in perhaps a better time ahead. Yes, there's been a little bit of position adjustment since the movement, that rotation on Monday, Tuesday. But I think it probably means that the likelihood we're going to see a big surge in the safe haven dollar is now far less likely.